How to use PowerToys Fancy Look. Hello guys and welcome back to Delve Stack. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use PowerToys Fancy Look. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta make sure you have installed Microsoft PowerToys. To do that, you gotta head over to the Microsoft Store, go to the search bar and type in PowerToys. So if you have not installed it before, you'll be able to see an install button. Once done, you gotta click on open and you'll be redirected to PowerToys settings. At the top, you gotta first search for FancyZones, and then next to it, you'll be able to see a toggle button. So you gotta enable FancyZones, and then you gotta launch the editor. First, you gotta choose your layout. You can use grid for multiple zones, columns, and rows for side-by-side apps, and custom to create your own. So you can select one and you can create a layout, and after that you'll be able to see 3 grids right in front of you. So you can simply drag and drop any window that you like. Let's try it for VS Code. You gotta open VS Code and then you gotta long press Shift, and while you are pressing Shift, you gotta drag and drop it to one of the grid. And then you can continue doing that for all the other windows as well. Once done, your desktop will look organized and fancy. Another very useful feature is the color picker. So you can simply search for color picker and you can quickly pick and apply colors while working with design apps. So here you gotta toggle it on, and here you can see your shortcut, that is window plus shift plus C. So you can simply press it and hover over any color. You can copy the hex, and you can use it in Canva, Photoshop, or documents to make visuals match perfectly. And that is basically how you can use PowerToys Fancy Look. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.